Hey guys, it's me, Arctic the Icicle Wing. Today I am playing Wings of Fire again, and there's a roleplay going on, which is the literal 5 Dragonets, and I don't want to join them since it's not a fan tribes or like any OCs. So yeah, I guess. Oh wait, you can, but I don't want to be there since I'm doing a recording. So yeah. So I have a Discord and I'm lonely. For no reason, I'm lonesome forever. But yes, so here it is. I don't think people know I'm recording since I'm just sitting there like that one right there. Okay, let's go. Let's go there. Okay, so we're at the top of the RP right here. And they're just doing they're like getting some dragons to join, but I don't want to join for now. So yeah, so let's walk around. So I might prank people, so yeah, I might do a video for a few minutes later and hours later, so yeah, or even seconds. So yeah. So this is the Rainwing Fashion RP. I don't want to join it too. So yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do... Is that what we're gonna do? Okay. Let's go leave the game. Leave the... the server for now. Let me just go here real quick. Okay, so we're back here again. So let's go. Let's go to my Skywing. Now, I did it at the first part so no one can see it. So that every single time I play, it's just that, see? So I think I'm gonna make it a little bit here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, whoa. Okay. Let me. Okay, let me grab some there. And then some here. There we go. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna prank them now. Okay, let's go. Let's pick Quibbly, I guess, if it's still open. Okay, so I went to Tamarind 22 since I can't go to that one I picked earlier, so yeah. So let's go. Oh! What the hedge? Well, that's weird. Okay, so I guess I'll stop it for now. My goodness, I hate Wi-Fi. Okay. So, bye!